Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a newly constructed Paradise Bay luxury residence just minutes away from the Donald Sangsters International Airport and with spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea. This 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo is designed as an open floor plan that allows the experience of outdoor living while enjoying the elegance of the finest finishes. This condo is 1,470 square feet with a fully integrated kitchen, in-unit laundry, LED recessed lights, porcelain tiles, and air conditioning system. A few of the general amenities includes swimming pool, gym, reception lobby, elevators, generator, and much more. Guys, it's time to take a look at this condo. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this condo is US 399,000 or Jamaican $61.4 million. To purchase or make an offer on this condo, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.